we'll start our session. See, today we are going to learn equality and inequality, which is also called what? Quadratic equations. Again, this topic is very IMP, 5 questions for 5 marks. In every PO exam, this topic is for 5 marks. So please, the name of the topic is what? Equality and inequality. Please write down this. Equality and inequality, also called what? Quadratic equations. Please write down this question and this rule. The question is x square plus 10x plus 21, which is equal to 0. And on the other side, we have y square plus 18y plus 77 is equal to 0. What we have to do here? We have to just find out the factors of x and factors of y, and just we have to compare. After writing this, please write down this table. After that, I will explain this table to you. The chapter name is Equality and Inequality, also called Quadratic Equations, जे आपण already 8, 9, 10 standard ला पाहिलेला आहे. In academic year, we used to solve such questions with the help of traditional method. We are going to use here direct technique. Yes, Gargi also joined. Very good, Gargi. Very good evening. See now, what is the rule? See, when your equation has plus sign, look at here. When your equation has a plus sign, so your factors are going to be minus. Remember this. When your equation will have a plus sign, then your factors are going to be in minus. When your equation has a minus sign, the factors are going to be in plus. When your equation has minus, then factors are going to be minus plus. And when your equation will have plus minus, the factors are going to be a plus. So write down this. Good evening, Tejashree. झालं का लिहून सगळ्यांचं? प्लीज रिप्लाय. Great, very good. Okay. Now see, we'll see how to solve this. Very simple technique here. See, look at here. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. What we used to do in school, see, this number is 21 and this number is 1. So multiplication of 1 and 21, that comes to 21. So 21 ones are 21. So multiplication should be 21 and addition of those two factors should be what? 10. So what are those factors? So here we have what? 1 and 21. So multiplication of first and last digit 21 and the addition of that factor should be 10. So the factors are, so here you will get factors are 7 and 3. So 7 3s are what? 21, and when you do addition of 7 and 3, that will be a what? 10. So 7 and 3, these are the two factors. Now look at here, the equation starting number is 1. So whatever number is there, other than 1 is there, then you have to divide these factors by that number. If it is 1 is there, so no need to divide. So when you take on that side, so here we have a 7 and 3 is equal to 0. So when you take those numbers on that side will become what? Minus. So this will be a minus 7 and minus 3. These are your factors of x. Remember this. So these are the what? Coefficient of x. Now come to this part. Again here we have a 1. So multiplication of 1 into 77, that will be a 77, and my addition should be what? 18. So what are those factors where your multiplication will get 77 and addition is 18? So factors are what? 11 and 7. 11 sevens are 77, and when you do addition of 11 and 7, you will get what? 18. This clear, everyone? Now what we'll do here, see, again here we have a 1. So whenever there is a 1, we will not divide those factors by 1. If other than 1, then we will divide by 1 that number. So again here we have a plus plus and is equal to 0. So obviously those two factors would be in what? Plus 11 plus 7. Then only I will get plus 18. Here also plus 7 plus 3. Then I will get plus 10. Now I will take plus 11 and plus 7 on that side. When you take those numbers on that side, it will become what? Minus, because those two numbers are in what? Positive. So minus 11 and minus 7. These are the coefficient of what? Y. This clear, everyone? Great. Now how do we compare this? Now we have to compare this. So while comparing, first compare minus 7 with minus 11 and minus 7. So when you compare minus 7 with minus 11, so obviously minus 7 is greater. And when you compare minus 7 with minus 7, so both are what? Equal. Remember this. Now I have to compare minus 3 with those two numbers. So when you compare minus 3 with minus 11, obviously minus 3 is greater. And when you compare minus 3 with minus 7, so obviously minus 3 is again greater. So hope सगळ्यांना माहिती असेल, मायनस मध्ये नंबर जेवढा छोटा असेल तेवढाच तो मोठा असतो when you comparing minus with minus. So now my final answer is going to be here what? See, all the three greater signs towards x and one sign is what? Equal. So I can write x is greater than or equal to y. So write down this. This is your answer. X is greater than or equal to y. Please note down this. Okay. This clear, everyone? Sarthak, I will explain the same problem in next question. Okay. Take one more problem. So look at this problem now. 2x square plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. And the other problem is 2y square plus 11y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now look at here what we have to do. See, the last number is 6 and the first number is 2. So when you multiply 6 and 2 will become what? 12. So 6 2s are 12 and addition of those two factors should be what? 7. So what are those factors? तुम्हाला असे फॅक्टर शोधायचे ज्यांची ॲडिशन 7 पाहिजे आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन 12 यायला पाहिजे. तो फॅक्टर्स आर व्हॉट? 4 आणि 3. So plus 4 and plus 3. Look at plus 4 plus 3 would be plus 7. And when you do multiplication of plus 4 into plus 3, that is going to be about plus 12. Now see, in earlier case there was a 1. Now here other than 1. So other than 1 जर number असेल, so divide those factors by that number. So I will divide 4 by 2 and 3 by 2. So here I will get plus 2 and here I will get 1.5. So when you take on that side, so both plus will become minus. So this will be a minus 2 and this will be minus 1.5. Clear, everyone? Okay, next. Look at here, 15 into 2, 30. So multiplication should be what? 30 and addition should be what? 11. The factors are what? Plus 5 plus 6. So 6 and 5, 11 and 6 5 are what? 30. Again here we have a what? 2 numbers. So I will divide 5 by 2 and 6 by 2. So here I will get 2.5 and here I will get 3. So when you take plus 2.5 and plus 3 on that side will become what? Minus. So minus 2.5 and minus 3. This clear everyone? Okay, now what we have to do? These are the value of what? X, and these are the value of what? Y. Now we have to just compare whether x is greater or y is greater. So when you compare minus 2 with both the numbers, so obviously minus 2 is greater than minus 2.5 minus 3. And when you compare minus 1.5 with both the numbers, so obviously again minus 1.5 is greater than minus 2.5 as well minus 3. So my answer is finally here going to be a what? X is greater than y. Write down this. X is greater than y. Hope everyone is clear with this. Very good, Pradnya. Clear? Okay. So x is greater than y. This is your answer. Please note down this. Okay. Clear everyone this? I'll give you one more problem to. Okay. Now solve this one. 3x square minus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0, and 3y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Solve this one. Now here we have 1 minus and 1 plus. Here we have 1 minus and 1 plus, again minus and plus. Try to solve this. See what we will do here, multiplication of 12 and 3 would be 36. So multiplication 36 and your addition should be minus 13. So what are those factors? Minus 13 means minus 9 minus 4. When you do multiplication of minus 9 minus 4, you will get plus 36. And when you do addition of minus 9 minus 4 would be minus 13. Again here we have what? 3. So divide by 3. So I will get minus 3, and here we will get minus 1.33. So this minus, when you take on that side, will become plus. So plus 3 and plus 1.3. So these are what? Coefficient or like factors of x. Here 3 2s are what? 6. Multiplication should be 6 and addition should be what? Minus 7. The factors are 6 1s are 6. So when you write minus 6 minus 1, see when you write minus 6 minus 1, then only addition will come minus 7, and minus into minus would be what? Plus 6. So divide by again 3, divide by again 3. So here minus 2 and minus 0.33. So when you take on that side, this will become plus 2 and this is become plus 0.33. Okay. Now this is factors of y. These are factors of y. Now when you compare this, so now see when you compare these, plus 3 is greater than both y. Plus 3 is greater than 2, as well plus 3 is greater than 0.33. But when you compare 1.3 with 2, so 2 is greater. So now look at here in this equation where you are getting x is greater, and on the other side you are getting y is greater. So in one equation you cannot show x and y simultaneously greater. So what we can do? Relationship cannot be determined. So here answer is what? Relationship can't be determined. Remember this. सो अशा केसमध्ये आन्सर येत नाही, कारण एकाच इक्वेशनमध्ये एक्स मोठा आहे आणि एकाच इक्वेशनमध्ये वाय मोठा आहे, तर तुम्ही हे एक्स असं दाखवू शकत नाही. सो इट मीन्स रिलेशनशिप कॅनॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. हे तुमचं आन्सर असतं. होप एव्हरीवन इज क्लिअर. See here what we have done. Look at this. Again I will explain the same problem to everyone. See the multiplication 12, this plus and this is also plus. So 12 into 3, 36. And addition should be what? Minus 13. So multiplication 9 4 चा बघा आता इथे 9 आणि 4, 9 चौक 36, 9 4 चा 36. आणि ह्या दोघांचं ॲडिशन तुम्ही केलं तर ते 13 यायला पाहिजे, पण ते 13 कसं पाहिजे? -13 पाहिजे. सो बोथ द फॅक्टर्स इन मायनस. -9, -4. So now here we have what? Other than 1. So I will divide by 3. I will divide by 3. So this will be a -3 and this will be a -1.33. So when you take on that side, so this will become +3 and this is 1.33. This is factors of x, and here 3 2s are 6. So when you write 6 1s are 6, then only you will get -6 and -1 because you want -7. And when you do multiplication of minus into minus, you will get what? Plus. So again divide by 3. So here -2 and here -0.33. And now when you take on that side will become +2 and +0.33. So this is factors of y. When you compare +3 with these two numbers, here we have both factors of y are plus. So obviously +3 is greater than +2 as well, 0.33. But when you compare 1.33 with +2, so obviously +2 is greater than 1.33. So do not compare the next number. So here you are getting एकाच इक्वेशनला एकदा x मोठा मिळतोय आणि एकाच इक्वेशनला एकदा y मोठा मिळतो. तो अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही रिलेशनशिप शो करू शकत नाही. सो आन्सर इज व्हॉट? रिलेशनशिप कॅनॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस. होप एव्हरीवन इज क्लिअर दिस. Okay, we'll take next number now. Okay, find this one. 3x square plus 29x plus 56 is equal to 0. And on the other side 2y square plus 15y and plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Find fast. Three x square plus 29x plus 56 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 15y plus 25 is equal to 0.
रावटरचे 1300 आणि
तुम्ही एकदम आता घेत आहे का आता तेवढं नाहीच आहे आता वाट लागली ना अंदाज तुम्ही हे पहिले तर ॲडव्हान्स 500 रुपये देतो 2,500 देतो
ठीक आहे चालेल
आता नाहीच आहे ना.
काय असेल प्रॉब्लेम कॉल कर.
Now see what we'll do here. See now see आता ह्या केसमध्ये I will show you how to find. Now see here you have a 56 and here you have a 3. Look at this. This is 56 and 3. When you multiply this, that will comes 168. So multiplication coming 168 and the addition should be what? Of those two factors 29. So if you try to find this way, it will take a time. So what we'll do here now, see, I will give you simple trick and technique to find when multiplication comes in 3 digit. So see, divide this 3 into 1. So 3 ones are 3 and divide this 56 7 into 8. That is 7 8s are 56. Look at this. What we have done, we have just find factors of 56, that is 7 into 8, and here 3 ones are 3, and now just you have to do manipulation in such a way that addition should come what? 29. So what I will do, see, I will take this 3 and this 7. Look at this. So 7 into 3, that is 21, and I will take 8 and 1 remaining numbers, that is 8 into 1, that comes 8. So when you do addition of this, that is 21 and 8, that comes to 29. So here my factors are what? 21 and 8. So when factors are what? 21 and 8. So 21 plus 21 and plus 8. So divide by what? 3 and divide by 3. So what you will get here when you divide plus 7, and here you will get 2.6. So plus 7 and plus 2.6, because 3 2s are 6, 20 raile, so 3 6 are 18. So on when you take on that side, this will become minus 7 and minus 2.6. So this clear, everyone? So this is the way to factor. This is the way to find the factors when your number is in 3-digit form. Remember this. Now here 15 2s are 25 2s are 50, and addition 15. So that is nothing but 10 5s are 50, 10 5s are 50, divide by 2, divide by 2. So 10 by 2, 5, and 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So when you take on that side, this will become minus 5 and minus 2.5. So when you compare this minus 7 with minus 5, so obviously minus 5 is greater. And when you compare minus 7 with minus 2.5, obviously minus 2.5 is greater. But when you compare minus 5 with minus 2.6, so obviously minus 2.6 is greater. So again the same condition आपल्याला इथे मिळाली की एकाच इक्वेशनला एकदा y मोठा आणि एकदा x मोठा आहे. जर असं असेल तर आन्सर इज व्हॉट? रिलेशनशिप कॅनॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. Hope you understood this, how to find the factors when multiplication comes in 3-digit form. Yes, very good. Answer is what? Cannot be determined. Great. Clear everyone this? Take one more problem. Okay, now 4x square minus 29x plus 45 is equal to 0. 3y square minus 19y plus 28 is equal to 0. Okay, do this. Answer is okay, great. Answer is what? Again, cannot be determined. Great. What you will do here? See, 45 into 4 again 180. So you will divide this in such a way. If you write 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4. And if you take this 5 nines are 45. So when you write 45 like this, 5 into 9 and this 4 ones are 4. So just do manipulation here in such a way that you will get minus 29. So what I will do, I will take 4 and 5. So 4 into 5, that is 20, and 9 into 1, that is 9. So addition comes what? 29. So what you will do, you will get two factors. You have two factors now, 20 and 9. So divide by 4 and divide by again 4. So when you divide 20 by 4, you will get 5. And when you divide this, so this is 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and 4 5, that is 2.25. So when you take on that side, so this will become minus 5 and minus 2.25. So this is your factors of what? X. And here 28 3s are 84, that is multiplication is 84 and addition is minus 19. So factors are what? 12 7s are. 12 7s are 84 and addition of 12 and 7, that is minus 19. But see here, okay, 1 minute. So, okay. So factors you got, that will be in minus 20, minus 9. So minus 5, minus 2, 2.5. So it becomes what? Plus and plus. Yes. And here again same, minus 12, minus 7, divide by 3, divide by 3. So this is minus 4 and this is minus 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So again, when you take on that side, it becomes plus 4 and plus 2.3. So this is factors of this. So when you compare these, so when you compare plus 5 with this, so obviously this is greater. When you compare 2.25 with this, so plus 4 is greater. So again answer is what? C and D. That is what? Cannot be determined. Hope everyone clear with this. Great. Answer is what? Cannot be determined. Please note down this. Clear everyone this? Yes, great. Okay. Now take one more problem to solve. Now this is something different kind. X square is equal to 16 and 2y square minus 17y plus 36 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 16, 2y square minus 17y plus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, now what you will do here, see when this is nothing but what? An equation, x square is equal to 16. In equation when you take square root of the given number, so x square root x and 16 square root is 4, but that will be plus 4 and minus 4. So whenever in a quadratic equation, when you get x square is equal to something, so when you take square root of that number, that will be in plus and what? Minus. So plus 4 and minus 4, and here 36 into 2, 72, and addition should be what? Minus 17. So factors minus 8, minus 9. So 8 9s are 72, and when you do multiplication, when you do addition of minus 8 minus 9 will be minus 17. So divide by what? 2. So this is minus 4 and this is minus 4.5. So when you take on that side, this will become plus 4 and plus 4.5. So now answer is going to be what? When you compare this with this, look at this. When you compare this with this, see, this with this, so this is what? Equal. And when you compare this with this, so obviously 4.5 is greater. And when you compare minus 4 with both the plus signs, so obviously minus 4 is what? Obviously plus 4 and plus 4.5 is greater than minus 4. So your answer is what? Y is greater than or equal to x. Write down this. Hope clear everyone this. So here, remember here you will not get cannot be determined, because in this equation, remember, see, I will explain this once again to you, because बरेच जणांनी cannot be determined लिहिले, absolutely wrong. See, when you write square root of any number in a given equation, so that will be a x is equal to plus 4 and minus 4. Remember this. And here 36 2s are 72. So my factors minus 8 minus 9. Divide by first number, that is 2. This will be a minus 4 and minus 4.5. So when you take on that side, that will become what? Plus 4 and plus 4.5. तिथे घेऊन जायला विसरू नका, otherwise you will not change the sign, and if you forget to change the sign, you may go wrong. So now just you have to compare. If you compare, see, I'll write here plus 4 and minus 4. So if you compare this, plus 4 with plus 4, both are equal. If you compare plus 4 with plus 4.5, obviously 4.5 is greater. If you compare minus 4 with plus 4, so obviously plus 4 is greater. And if you compare minus 4 with 4.5, obviously 4.5 is greater. So my answer is what? Y is greater than or equal to x. Write down this. Yes. Now I'll give you similar problem of same type. Do it fast. X square is equal to 144. Y square minus 24y plus 144 is equal to 0. Find fast. Okay, let's see who has got the answer. Yes, Vedanti, Vivek. Okay, very good. Now, y is greater than or equal to x. Great, great. Sarthak, y, x is not equal to y. It is also y is greater than x. Okay, great. Great. So here again what? X is equal to what? Plus 12 and minus 12, and here minus 12 minus 12. So minus, that will become plus 12 and plus 12. Okay, so compare this. Both are what? Equal. This compare, both are equal. And when you compare this, so obviously 12 is greater. So answer is y is greater than or equal to x. Very good. All are getting right answer. Great. Okay, I'll give you one more problem to solve. Okay, solve this now. X square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. And here y square plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now look at here. Now आतापर्यंत आपण जे प्रॉब्लेम केले त्याच्यामध्ये दोन्ही ठिकाणी प्लस, एकदा मायनस प्लस होता. आता इकडे प्लस आणि इकडे मायनस आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. म्हणजे जे आता याच्यामध्ये लक्षात ठेवा, वेनेवर प्लस आणि मायनस असेल तर तुम्हाला जे दोन फॅक्टर मिळतील ते फॅक्टर्स एक प्लस आणि एक मायनस मध्येच असणारे लक्षात घ्या. सो फाइंड हियर फॅक्टर्स. Great, very good, Abhijit, Vedanti, Vivek. Okay, everybody is getting answer. The answer is what? Nothing but C and D. That is cannot be determined. So I will show you how. See, look at here. Nothing is there means what? 1 is there. Now multiplication of 1 and this is this is minus 12. Huh? So when you multiply 1 into minus 12, so multiplication should be minus 12, and addition should be what? That is x. So that is x means what? 1x. So factors are what? Multiplication 12. And here x यायला पाहिजे. So 4 3s are. So plus 4 and minus 3. So see, plus 4 minus 3 is plus x, and multiplication of plus and minus would be a minus. So 4 3s are 12. When you take on that side minus 4, see, no need to divide because here we have a 1. Other than 1, then we would have divided. Minus 4 and then plus 3. And here nothing is 1 is there. So 1 into 8. That is, this is not only 8, this is minus 8. So multiplication minus 8 and addition plus 2. So factors 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are. So 4 number will have a plus sign and 2 number will have a minus sign. So when you take on that side, so minus 4 and plus 2. So when you compare this minus 4 with this, both are equal. Minus 4 with this plus 2, so obviously plus 2 is greater. When you compare plus 3 with minus 4, so x is greater. आता मग पुढचा नंबर तुम्हाला कंपेअर करायची गरज नाही आहे, बिकॉज एकाच इक्वेशन मध्ये एकदा x आणि एकदा y मोठा भेटतो. आन्सर इज व्हॉट? C and D. That is cannot be determined. Hope clear everyone this. Clear everyone? So if you are clear with this, then we'll go with another problem. Yes, great. So remember one thing, when you have a plus and minus, then your factors also will have a plus and minus. Remember this. Write down next problem, where you will have both the signs minus minus. 2x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0, and 2y square minus y minus 21 is equal to 0. Do this. नाव सी, आता इथे दोन्ही ठिकाणी मायनस आहे. अर्लियर क्वेश्चनला इकडे प्लस होता आणि इकडे मायनस. जर समजा इथे प्लस आणि इथे मायनस असेल तर मोठ्या नंबरला प्लस साईन राहील. लुक ॲट दॅट, सी, अंडरस्टँड द टेक्निक. इफ अर्लियर क्वेश्चनला इकडे प्लस इकडे मायनस, सर जर इकडे प्लस आणि इकडे मायनस असेल तर जे फॅक्टर मिळतील त्याच्यातल्या मोठ्या नंबरला प्लस साईन जाईल. नाव हिअर इथे मायनस आणि इथे मायनस आहे. जर इकडे मायनस असेल तर जे फॅक्टर तुम्हाला मिळतील त्या फॅक्टरच्या मोठ्या नंबरला मायनस साईन जाणार, हे लक्षात ठेवा. So here what you will get, 10 into 2, that is multiplication minus 20, and factors minus and addition minus x पाहिजे. So 5 4s are 20. The multiplication of these two numbers are going to be a 20. 5 4s are 20. Now here we have a minus, so bigger number will go minus sign, and here it is a plus. हे लक्षात ठेवा. And divide by 2, because here we have a 2. So this is minus 2.5 and this is only 2. And when you take on that side, so this will become plus 2.5 and this is minus 2. So this is coefficient of x. Now here again 21 2s are, that is minus 42. Look at this. 21 2s are what? Minus 42. And here we have a minus, so the bigger number will go minus sign. So 7 6 are 42. So this is minus and this is plus. Remember this. Again divide by 2, because here we have a 2. So this is minus 3.5 and this is plus 3. When you take on that side, so this will become plus 3.5 and this is minus 3. So this is factors of y. So now when you compare plus 2.5 with 3.5, obviously 3.5 is greater. And when you compare plus 2.5 with minus 3, so obviously plus 2.5 is greater. So again in one equation एकदा y मोठा मिळतो आणि एकदा x मोठा मिळतो. So it means C and D cannot be determined. Write down this. This clear everyone? Great. Cannot be determined. Okay. So see, these are the problems based on what? Quadratic equation, also called what? Equality and inequality. जे तुमच्या POच्या प्रिलिमिनरी एक्झामला, आता मे बी ते क्लेरिकलला पण ह्या वर्षापासून येऊ शकतात, 5 मार्क्सला विचारले जातात. वेअर 2.5 मिनिट्समध्ये, सी यू हॅव टू सेट युअर टाईम, बिकॉज इन मॅथमॅटिक्स पेपर देर विल बी प्रिलिमिनरी एक्झामिनेशन. In mathematics there will be a 35 questions and you will have only 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes you have to attempt 35 questions, which is highly impossible, but at least you can reach up to 29 and 27. सो त्याच्यामध्ये जर हा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला जर आला 5 क्वेश्चन्स फॉर 5 मार्क्स, तो दिस एंटायर 5 क्वेश्चन तुमचे साधारणतः 2.5 मिनिट्समध्ये अटेम्प्ट व्हायला पाहिजे. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. सो एंटायर 5 क्वेश्चन मस्ट गेट अटेम्प्टेड इन 2.5 मिनिट्स. क्लियर एव्हरीवन दिस? Please reply as early as. Okay, great. So now what I will do, after this lecture, I will give you more than 50 problems on based on equality and inequality for homework. Clear everyone? Yes, great. So now tell me, how many of you have done with approximation and number series homework? किती लोकांनी complete केलं? Tell me truly. How many of you have done with approximations and number series homework, which I have already posted on the WhatsApp group? Okay, Gargi is saying yes, Gargi has done the homework. What about others? Aditi? Okay, Aditi is saying number series pending. What about Nihal? Okay, still doing very good. Okay, so today what I will do, today I will give you solutions for number series. Remember this. Yesterday I have given solutions for approximation. Day before yesterday I have given solution for simplification. Today I will give you solution for number series, and you just cross verify that. Clear everyone this? Okay, now I will show you a question number 8 from simplification. बऱ्यापैकी विद्यार्थ्यांना क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 मध्ये डाऊट होता सिम्प्लिफिकेशनचा. सो आय विल शो यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 फ्रॉम सिम्प्लिफिकेशन चॅप्टर. Okay, question number 8. See, this is question number 8. Root 7 plus 11 whole square is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 847 plus 122. This is your question number 8 from chapter simplification. Now see, as everyone knows, this consider a plus b whole square. What is the formula a plus b whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a square? Root 7 square 7 plus, see, root 7 square 7 plus b square, that is 11 square 121 plus 2 into ab, that is 11 into what is b? Root 7. Okay, so this is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 plus 2. Clear everyone this? 847 plus 122. This is the way. Okay. Now see what you do. See, here we have what? Here we have what? 7, na? So if you divide that number 847, so what you will get? So suppose if you divide 847 by 11, or if you divide by 7, so if you divide by 7, what you will get? 7 ones are 7, then 1 left, 7 twos are 14, and again 7 ones are 7. So remember why. Now look at here, this 847 is not the perfect square root or not the perfect number. So I have to split 847 in such a way where in square root I will get 7 and 11 will come outside like this. So what I have done, so whenever you will get such kind of question, so this 847 ला divide करताना look at on the other side, रूट मध्ये कोणता नंबर आहे. सो रूट मध्ये 7 नंबर आहे, तर त्याच नंबरने ह्या 847 ला डिवाइड करायचा. So when you divide 847 by 7, so you will get what? 121 as the answer. So 847 nothing but what? I can write 121 into 7. This clear everyone? So 121 into 7 means what? 847. So what we have done? We have split 847 into two numbers, that is 121 into 7, and from where this idea? I got this idea from this number, because this number in root there is a 7. So I divide 847 by what? I divided 847 by 7. So we got 121 into 7. So now 121 and 7, that is 128, plus 11 to the 22, that is root 7, is equal to x 1 by 3 plus, now see here 121 is square root 11 and already bahar 2 hai, so that will become what? 22 root 7 plus 122. This clear everyone? Okay, now this and this will get cancelled. 128 minus 122, that is nothing but 6. 128 minus 122 6, and what is here? X raised to 1 by 3. So x raised to 1 by 3 means what? That is cube root. So cube root of x is 6. So to remove the cube root, what we will do? Making cube of both sides. So this cube root will remain and x will left and 6 cube will come. So that is nothing but 216. So this is your answer. Write down this. Hope everyone is understood this. Clear everyone? So just we have, this is what? A plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and just we have split 847 into two factors, 121 into 7. And from where did I get this idea? I got this idea from this number, because in root there is a 7. So what I have done? I divided 847 by 7. So we got 121 into 7. That is nothing but 847. So we took square root of 121, which is 11, and already 2 is outside. So 11 into 2, that comes to what? 22. And then 7 is left inside. So, and that is plus 122. That's clear everyone? Yes, great. Chalo, then we'll end up our session for today. Tomorrow, see now here we have done with our module number 2 also. We have already completed module number 1, and today we have completed module number 2. Okay, inequality and equality questions after this lecture I will post on group, and from tomorrow we will start with our module number 3, where we are going to cover simple interest, compound interest, permutation, combination, and probability. These are the most IMP chapters for your forthcoming banking exams. This clear everyone? Yes. Okay. So we'll end up our session today. And once again, thank you for joining. Tomorrow, same time, 5:30, we'll start our session with module number 3. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining.